world where home security cameras are becoming more prevalent, what kind of frightening events will they capture? From brazen criminals to bizarre intruders, these are the frightening real-life terror videos caught on doorbell cameras. Get ready for scary videos caught on doorbell camera. Jerry Wayne stumbled through the Drawhorn cul-de-sac, informing his neighbors of the explosion that had already blasted out most of their windows and doors. After being awakened by an explosion that was felt 30 miles distant and blew windows out throughout mid-county.
Holy Holy That's one hell of a boom. Get back in the house. I call 911.
This guy was captured on camera trying to break into this property, but as soon as the homeowner's Ring camera siren went off, he swiftly fled the scene. On November 13, 2022, a man can be seen in this video approaching a stranger's home at 8:15 p.m. and attempting to steal items off the front porch.
What are you doing? Hello? Get the f*** out of there. Piece of He's trying to steal things. Trying to steal things.
When the homeowner approaches the speaker to find out who is there, the man flees in fear. This package is delivered by this Amazon driver. It is taken by a thief who approaches the front porch in the dark. A man approached the stranger's home on October 29, 2022. At 5:13 p.m. he attempted to open the doors but was unsuccessful. As the homeowner answers the door after he rings the bell, the man asks whether the homeowner has located a lost dog. He claims he hasn't though. When the homeowner asks what breed of dog it is, the man at the door initially has trouble speaking clearly. You might want to take a closer check in the area of the street because I believe some folks may have phoned the city control and they may have picked it up.
Yes, what do you need?
Hi, I was walking by and I was wondering if you saw a lost dog.
No, I haven't. No one has left the house, so we've been inside. Haven't seen a dog.
No, she's like.
Nope, haven't seen a dog. What kind of dog you looking for?
She's like a Labradoodle mixed with like a German Shepherd.
Nope, I think some people might have called the city control, so they might have picked it up. So you might want to look around the street some more. I know my neighbors have been calling either the police or they've been calling for animal protection services. So they might have picked it up. We haven't seen a thing, all right?
Thank you.
All right.
Look, this scumbag on all fours trying to steal stealthily from this house.
Excuse me, that's mine. Rob, somebody just stole something off my porch, I think.
Unfortunately, the homeowner sees him and yells at him, so he flees. In the middle of the night, a man wearing a red t-shirt approaches a residence before breaking into the driver's car, which is parked in the driveway, and robbing him of valuables. An angry-looking man is seen knocking on this person's door late at night while hoping for an answer, but no one comes. A strange woman in Portland, Oregon, approached this home and said, "Knock, knock," before knocking on the door.
Knock, knock.
The uploader claims they didn't know this guy and that this incident occurred around 5 in the morning. In this clip from Miami Beach, a porch pirate is shown in action.
Thanks for watching Terror TV. To view any or all episodes of this video series, please click the link in the description below. Be sure to check out any of our other video series available for your viewing pleasure in the playlist section of this channel. See you on the next episode of Terror TV.